Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the FIFA World Cup. Bafana 1, Czech Republic 1. I'm joined by the one, the only, Umenier. Utiski. Upunchebe ka.
Yathama.
La mano sile nchebuva. Nchebuva litsaka, nchebuva.
Usemexico.
Nchebuva yini naye? Yeah. Asohlangana ra ayabhala kusasa. Gone guys. Yeah, so bafinisha lenu nje.
Siwe
Amnandi Rutmani.
Yeah, great. It's okay. Mamela, yazi today ne.
Sure.
Asidlalanga ilokhuzana occasion like we actually played a game.
Yes.
Because first game versus Mexico.
Yeah.
We didn't plan for a game.
Yeah, we didn't.
We planned for a occasion.
Sure.
So today at least sikhonile ukuthi sibone ukuthi sibone game, sibone nebhola sithiwe. As I always say, football is a game of
Patins.
All right. Czech Republic versus South Korea.
Sure.
59 minutes.
Yeah.
Czech Republic ithola throw in. Ikora kwi direction the engala on this side if isiyaka right. Badlala I long throw in. Benze njani? Baya ahead. Yeah, 59 minutes.
Okay.
Bathola goal versus South Korea.
Sure.
Today 6 minutes. Bathola throw in.
Okay.
Ngase sense. Benze njani baya throw eside lesilaka left sisalele.
Yeah.
Throw in result to in. To a goal. Which means lento bayenze njani bayiplanela very strength sani saba because if ubuyela back egame yabo eDenmark uma beyikhipha kuma playoffs amagoli abo yethu angena from ama set pieces.
Okay.
Njengoba ngihleze ngisho Sithibo, football is a game of patins.
Mina ngicabanga bachayisile la.
No, this is into lezi uyayiplanela because ngihleze ngisho ngithi mina throw in abanye abantu they just think ukuthi throw in hayi ibhola liphumile kulayini asilithathe silibuyisele groundini.
Yeah.
But no, throw in actually ipass. There is why amanye ama team asmathi sebenzela kuma throw in.
Yeah.
So bezo result to in ama throw in ungayisebenzisa for ama reasons amaningi tactical.
Sure.
Njengokubona nje ama team amaningi njengo PSG imigame iqala benze njani badlala long. So bezokuphina ungasikhathi wenza throw in backpress high. So throw in you can plan for throw in ukuthi I opponent ufuna ukuyiphina back so that uzoyifaka under pressure and immediately win position usu closer to half yabo.
Sure.
You can also use throw in to wenza njani to create ama goal. Ngalesikhathi abantu besalele you take ama quick throw in, you take ama long throw in. Okay. Football is a game of patins Sithibo.
Hey.
Asibuyeleni la Sithibo.
How dangerous.
Ngiye ngasho futhi ngathi today asidlalanga occasion sidlale sidlala game.
Sure.
I think unoticile uma sicula national anthem uTebza umrembula bemveze screening.
Sure.
Ubenze njani la ube ekhaya ubonile?
Yeah.
Because he understands now ukuthi yini bekufanele yenziwe nini today. Asibuyeleni la Sithibo. uTebza if ngenza mistake usedlala ama AFCON ayi2.
Sure.
Wadlala iClub World Cup neSundowns. Usedlala iWorld Cup now nani? Nebafana.
Sure.
Wadlala iChampions League nani? neSundowns.
Yes.
Which means ibhola continental football uyiqedile. Wadlala iAFL nani neSundowns. Manje seku stage esinjani esikhulu and lento ibonisile with ikhalo abantu bebenazo nge-first game. Lawa ama emotions Sithibo akusikhona ukuthi benze le camera. Le nto leya it's something engaphakathi kuyena and ngijabulile ukuthi step up athathe le penalty le ekwazi ukuthi ebuyisa amajita egamini. Hey mina Sithibo angazi noma lento yebhola abaqinisile ngempela nimebethi idinga inhlanhla because for mina Mrembula is a complete player man. He's a complete. No, Mrembula is a complete
with the
player.
best.
Yeah, because njengoba kubalela kwi-continent uqede wonke ayikho into angayidlalanga. Even emhlabeni kahle kahle Mrembula yonke into uyidlalile manje.
Yeah.
Into esele ibona abo Champions League bakuphi la bako Europe because he played la eAfrica wonke manje wadlala kwi-Club World Cup usedlala nani manje ne-FIFA i-national team. So for mina if kuthi aqhamuki something big then I will understand ukuthi I choose Sundowns imphethe grand or lucky leyani yama-off. Well, going to last game Siko, just ukuthi ngingayi prolong nje, going to last game let us go all out, man. We've got nothing to lose. We just need 3 points and continue playing ilokhuzana ibhola lethu. And hopefully they will plan properly since umrembu lezobe ngekho since ethule i-yellow card. But last game udefender ungenawo 3 points.
You shouldn't defend.
As I always say, football is a game of patterns. Inkosi ithela umusa bona bonke ababukeli.
Uzoyibheka ngo3 le yakhe?
Yeah, ngizoyibheka.
Uzobuvukile?
Ngizobe ngivukile.
Ngo3 kusini.
Ngizobe ngivukile.
Uyibhekelele? So lalela ke Miniere. Itake a lot i-convert i-truck yabo into a 5-star hotel.
Okay.
For wonke umuntu ozobe avukile abheke le game.
Okay.
Shoot mangayibheka le game. Wangena kuma social we take a lot. Follow steps, accept ama T's and C's, wabheka igame.
Okay.
Kusasa bazozisikela sakho.
Yeah.
Bakhulume nomphathi.
Yeah.
Bathi ungalala kule yamuntu.
Angeke avuma
During the day.
Kulala mina ukulala umphathi.
Akuzolala wena. Ulale nje ma.
Ngingamaki.
Bazokubhadala.
Bathi nje
bazombhadala umphathi elanga.
Just ukuyivala mfethu. All the best chance to win last game. Qhubekani impush endlala ibhola leli lesilaziyo.
Yeah. Hayi, thank you.
Siyabonga.
Thank you.